Hey, in this video, I will show you how to boost into the air in Deep Terreur. So, most animals in Deep Terreur can air boost, and you just need one boost. As you can see, this little green bar at the bottom is a boost bar. When you eat food, then you regain that boost bar, and when you click, you utilize the boost bar, but when you eat again, you'll gain another boost. So, if I want to air boost, I just go into the air and then click. I have to click whilst I'm in the air. If I'm a crab, for example, I can still air boost, but it will be a little bit more pathetic, as you can see. Kind of pathetic. If I'm a flying fish, air boosting will be cool. So just air boost like that, and I can glide since I'm a flying fish, which is a bit unique, but yeah. If I'm a squid, I can still air boost, but there are some animals that can't air boost, some larger animals, such as the whale. It cannot boost, so it cannot air boost, and the hippo, for example, and the humpback whale, these animals cannot air boost. There is more, but I'm not going to name them all. You can find out for yourself. But yeah, if you want to air boost, that's really about it. But if you're a bird, like you can, it's really fun air boosting because you can fly across the whole map with certain animals. With certain animals, but if I'm a bird, for example, and I air boost, it really doesn't achieve a whole lot. It's kind of useless. But I can eat flappy ducks by air boosting too, which is kind of cool. As you can see, I'm eating flappy ducks, which regains my boost while I'm in the air, which is pretty interesting. These used to be a lot cooler, but they're not very cool anymore. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this air boosting tutorial was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.